Howdy guys, back with Cruiserman's Inventions. We're with the time trials between this bike and my new one I just built, which I'll show you after this time trial. Now we're doing a kilometer stretch basically to see which bike is faster between this one and the new one. A lot of these are familiar with the new one, but we'll get back to that very soon when I get back. So we got 3000 watt controller on this one at 72 volts and 24 volts to the center mag, and on the other one we got 72 volts times 2, much larger battery bay, and same thing again, 24 volts to the center mag, and so but 2000 watt controller on the other one. So let's get going guys. So we got a little meter down here, and so let's switch her on. Yep, it's fully charged up, 76 it says on there, and let's just switch on. Where's my mag? Here it is, down here. Switch that on. Okay, so let's get out here guys. So as you all know, and you've just seen this bike run, it is a heavy bike, it weighs about 70 kgs. It is actually the same weight as the new bike that I built, but what we're going to try and do guys is we've got to get it up to speed a little bit before we can launch off with this one. Okay, let's go guys. I'm going to push start. There's a little bit of a delay. Okay, here we go. Building slowly up to speed before I can launch it. Here we go guys. Haven't got enough hands to stop the clock, guys. 1 minute 5 seconds. Oh, still rolling. Let's see, 1 minute 5 seconds. I'll stop this. Let's go back. Let's go get the other bike, guys. Woo! Man, that was exciting, guys. Oh, woo! She was flying. Oh, here we go. Let's quickly get back if we can. Let's get this up to speed, the rolling speed. Oh. So we've got a time of 1 minute 5 guys on this. Let's go back through the sneaky back layer. Alright, let's get to where the other one is. Okay, here we go guys. Okay. Oh, didn't put my stand down. Stand down. Oh, come on. Alright. Everything's off. Yep, mag's off, system's off. Yep, okay, so this is the second one. Okay, 1 minute 5 guys. 1 minute 5 we got, so we'll reset the clock. Put it on here. This is the bike, guys. 72 volts times 2, 24 volts going to the center mag. Let's see if we can chase this bike, guys. Let's get her out. Let's push her out. Let's go, let's go. Whew. Okay, guys. Here we go. It's a mission with one hand, I tell you. Oh, God. Wish I had a cameraman. Alright, system's on. Starting the clock. Start. Let's go. Oh, dang, it didn't beat it, guys. It came in just behind it. Ah, dang. Ah, it was so close. It was 5 minutes 6. It was only 1 second behind the other one, guys. So that is unbelievable. I knew it had potential to beat that bigger bike. That bigger bike is a whole 1000 watts more than this one. It's just that this has even more weight to it because it has another 6 batteries in it compared to the other one. So anyway, let's go back anyways. Alright guys, come on, that was cool. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay with this one. Sorry about the wind. So smooth. Let's go and put this bike next to the other one, guys, and let's go and have a look at the size difference. And let's hope I don't have to make this video twice. Oh, here we go. Okay. Stop the clock. We don't need that no more. Hello, girl. Hey, bellies. Oh, you're going to be in the shot now too. Yes, you are. Don't go out the gate, girl. Forgot about you. Yeah, little bellies. Good girl. Okay guys, so these bikes are large. They are long. So this is the both of them in the one shot here side by side. And wow, they are cool bikes, guys. But there's no beating this bigger one with the 3000 watt controller. She is a beast. She is an absolute beast. She's got a Jack and Jill shaft in there. running a 420 pitch chain, and this one is even running a bigger chain, 5/16. It's even bigger again, but it's aluminium, but on a steel disc. I put it on, and freewheel. This one. This other one's not freewheel. It can only get to the bridge and back, and probably only do the maximum of about 5 kilometers. This one, we done the speed test on that the other day. It done close to, well, it done 13 to 14, so that's pretty damn good. Cool, guys. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Cruiser Man out, guys. Cool. Woohoo!